who found the missionaries of charity in Kolkata. Indian dedicating her life serving poorest of the poor. Yes, poorest of the poor.
We feel very happy and honored to welcome you in this grand brain innovation program. Yes, to welcome you in this grand brain innovation program. ये सिर्फ इमारत नहीं, हमारा दूसरा घर है. यहाँ बिता है हर लम्हा यादों का समंदर है, यादों का समंदर है. दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में जाए कलम आपको नजर आएंगे. दुनिया मगर खुद को गर्व से इंटरनेशनल स्कूल एंड जूनियर कॉलेज लखमापुर. कैसा बताएंगे वी आर द वंडर किड्स फ्रॉम 5th standard Esperanza House. Today your presence makes the program even more special, even more special. We hope you enjoy the performance and our theme is Mother Teresa. Yes, Mother Teresa. Do you know who was Mother Teresa? Yes. She dedicated her entire life to serving poorest of the poor. Yes, to serving poorest of the poor. We are excited to present here and our theme is Mother Teresa, Mother Teresa. ममता की छाह और करुणा की परिभाषा थी. ममता की छाह और करुणा की परिभाषा थी. दुनिया की सेवा की जिनकी सच्ची अभिलाषा थी, सच्ची अभिलाषा थी. मिटा दिया अपना वजूद इन बेबसों की खातिर में. मिटा दिया अपना वजूद इन बेबसों की खातिर में. मदर टेरेसा इंसानियत की सच्ची आशा थी, सच्ची आशा.
I would like to speak about a woman who dedicated her entire life to serving poor and sick people. Called Mother Teresa. Called Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa was born on August 26, 1910 in Scotland, which is now the capital of North Macedonia, and her birth name was Andres Gorgi.
From a young age, she felt a deep desire to serve God and help those in need. At the age of 18, she joined the Sister of Loreto and moved to India, where she began teaching at a school in Kolkata.
Mother Teresa studied in a local school in her hometown. At the age of 18, she joined a convent in Ireland to become nun. There she learned English. Later, she came to India and trained to become teacher.
In 1950, she founded the Missionary of Charity in Kolkata, India. The organization focused on helping the poor, the sick, the homeless and the needy. And she believed in saving the poorest of the poor. Yes, the poorest of the poor. And show love and care to people who were afraid, ignored by society, ignored by society. Mother Teresa spent most of her life in Kolkata, working on slums and opening homes for people, tuberculosis and other illness. In 1979, she was awarded Nobel Peace Prize for her humanitarian work. She accepted the award with humility and asked, prize money be used to help the poor. Not all others can do great things, not all others can do great things, but we can do small things, but we can do small things. We create love, yes, we create love. झुकी हुई आंखों में उम्मीद जगाई, रोते हुए चेहरों पर हंसी लौटाई. सेवा की राह पर जो चलती थी, सेवा की राह पर जो चलती थी, वही थी मदर टेरेसा मान, वही थी मदर टेरेसा मान.
In 1950, Mother Teresa took permission from Holy See to found her own orders, the Missionaries of Charity. The order purpose was to help the poor while living among them, sharing their experience.
From achievement, she became famous all over the world for her kindness. She received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She also received the India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna
girl. Order built various facilities as an open-air school, housing for orphans, children nursing houses for labor. Yes, children nursing houses for labor.
जहाँ दर्द था वहाँ वो पहुंची, जहाँ दर्द था वहाँ वो पहुंची, जहाँ अंधेरा था वहाँ वो रोशनी बन गई, जहाँ अंधेरा था वहाँ वो रोशनी बन गई. Love the poor and serve them with kindness. Yes, love the poor and serve them with kindness. In 1962, the Indian government awarded Mother Teresa the Padma Shri, one of its highest civilian honors, for his service to the people of India. Also, Mother Teresa displayed cheerfulness and a deep commitment to God in her daily work. Her letters were collected and published indicate that she did not feel God's presence in her soul during the last 50 years of her life. She turned to Kolkata and worked as teacher in school. She saw many poor and sick people on the street. She decided to help them. In 1950, she started the Missionary of Charity. Her organization was a poor, sick, homeless and orphan children. She and her helpers gave food, clothes and medical care to needy people. Mother Teresa died on 5 September 1997 in Kolkata, India. She was 87 years old and she died from heart failure after suffering from health problem in her later years, including gut issues and malaria. Yes, gut issues and malaria.
Mother Teresa life teaches us the importance of kindness, compassion and selfless service. She once said us not all of us can we do great things, but when we do small things with great love.
Thank you for being a wonderful audience and making this event unforgettable. Thank you. Thank you.
Peace begin with a smile. This short, powerful message from Mother Teresa reminds us that kindness and joy are the simplest, most effective ways to make a positive impact, starting with a person right in front of you. Today we are present one poem in front of you, and our poem name is Hands of Mercy. Yes, Hands of Mercy. Hands of Mercy, hands of mercy, hands of mercy, hands of free. You gave your love to the least of these, in every tear, in every cry. You were a fair lover and dry, rebel in right and humble grace. You found the light in every face. Mother of the poor, teach us to be a living song of charity, a living song of charity, a living song of charity. Oh, hands of mercy, hands of mercy, hands of mercy, shining bright. You turn the darkness into light in kindness more. You show the greatest love to all. Self-preservation guide our way. You help us serve day by day. Mother Teresa, may we be a living song of charity, a living song of charity, a living song of charity.
we win. Some smile, face, and sadness. Are we alone? In a dark and lonely world, you see the light against your beam. You lose the door that shuts your heart and want a better world. You can be all we can only see. Now you see we change some melody of life by giving and yet not ending. We're gonna take it in the sheets, but we're not super fine to do. And why?
Hi, my name is Kevin. I was born in orphan. No food, no home, no one to love me. Have you heard of angels on earth? Well, I have, and seen one too. Her name is Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa.